How to fix WARDOGS crash report handler error? The application has encountered an unexpected error. First step, clear the shadow cache, open run and type the following text. Type it and click OK in the bottom side. Select the drive, select the shadow cache, click OK in the bottom side and click delete files. Successfully deleted, then move on with next step. Turn off hardware acceleration GPU scheduling. Click settings, click system, click display settings, scroll down, click graphics settings, click advanced graphics settings, disable hardware acceleration GPU scheduling. If it's enabled means you need to disable it. Once disabling, after you need to restart your device. Then move on with next step. Update graphics driver, search for device manager, click it, click display adapters and check the drivers present. Then go to the official website of the drivers, download and install the latest version. Depends on the device, it may vary, so you need to check the drivers first. Then go to the official website, download and install it. And the next method, right click and click update driver. So these are the two methods to update the drivers. Then move on with next step. Click settings, click system settings, click display settings, click graphics settings, scroll down and search for WARDOGS and Steam. Open it. The GPU preferences depends on you, but the optimization of the window game should be in turn on mode. Make sure it. If Steam and WARDOGS not having means you need to click add desktop app, go to C drive and add it. Then move on with next step. Click settings, click Windows Update and make your Windows up to date. If there is any download or installation pending having means you need to download and install it and make your Windows up to date. Then move on with next step. Open run and type the following text sysdm.cpl. Click OK. Click Advanced. Under Performance click Settings. Click Advanced. Under Virtual Memory click Changes. Enable automatically manage paging file size for all drives. Click OK in the bottom side. Click Apply and OK. And click Restart now. Once restart complete, after move on with next step. Open this PC. Make sure you have enough memory space. Right click, click Properties, click Tools, click Check and scan the drive. It's entirely scanning your C drive. Successfully scanned, no error was found. Click OK in the bottom side. Then open Steam, click Library, click the game, right click, click Properties, click Install File and click Verify Integrity of the game file and wait for some time. It's entirely verifying your game files. Wait until it reaches 100%. If there is any corrupted file having means it will rectify it. Then restart your device.